Imagine if you could unlock the full potential of your body and mind. Welcome to the world of biohacking. Biohacking might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's actually a real and growing movement that's all about optimizing your life and health. It's about making changes to your lifestyle in order to hack your body's biology so you can feel your best at all times. But what does this really mean? Think of your body as a complex machine with numerous processes happening every second. Now, imagine if you could manipulate these processes to enhance your health, well-being, and performance. That's the essence of biohacking. It's about understanding and applying the science of how your body works to your advantage. What we put into our bodies, the food we eat, the thoughts we entertain, the movements we engage in, all these are inputs to our system, our biology. And like any system, the quality of the output is determined by the quality of the input. Let's take food as an example. We all know that eating a balanced diet is essential for good health. But biohackers take this a step further. They delve into the nitty-gritty of nutrition, understanding how different nutrients affect bodily processes, and then use this knowledge to optimize their diet for specific goals. Maybe it's enhancing brain function, boosting energy levels, or even slowing down the aging process. Thoughts, too, are a powerful input. Ever notice how stress can take a toll on your health? Biohackers understand this connection, and they use techniques like meditation, biofeedback, and cognitive, behavioral strategies to manage stress and promote mental well-being. Physical movement, another key input, also plays a significant role. Biohackers might use specific exercise strategies targeted towards improving certain aspects of their health or performance. So biohacking is about taking control of your own biology, using science and self-experimentation to understand what makes you tick and how you can become the best version of yourself. You might be wondering, how does this work? Let's dive deeper. Biohacking might sound like science fiction, but it's grounded in solid science. Let's take a closer look at the science behind this fascinating concept. Biohacking, as the term implies, is all about hacking or tweaking our biology to enhance our performance. It's not about turning people into superhumans or creating a race of cyborgs. Rather, it's about understanding our own bodies and minds and making small, incremental changes that can have a big impact on our health, well-being, and performance. At the heart of biohacking is a deep understanding of our biology. Our bodies and brains are complex systems made up of trillions of cells, each with their own role to play. These cells communicate with each other, carry out vital functions, and respond to changes in their environment. By understanding how these cells work, we can begin to hack them, altering their behavior in ways that can benefit us. For example, consider the role of nutrition. We all know that what we eat has a profound effect on our health. But did you know that certain foods can actually change the way our genes work? That's right. By consuming a diet rich in certain nutrients, we can switch on genes that promote health and longevity while switching off genes associated with disease. This is the principle behind nutritional biohacking. Sleep is another key area of focus for biohackers. It's not just about getting enough sleep, but also about ensuring that the sleep we get is of high quality. By understanding the science of sleep, including the different stages of sleep and their role in memory consolidation and recovery, we can make changes to our sleep habits that can lead to better cognitive performance and overall health. Then there's stress management. Chronic stress is a major health risk linked with a host of physical and mental health problems. Biohackers use a variety of techniques, from mindfulness meditation to biofeedback, to manage their stress levels and promote relaxation. Physical activity is also a crucial component of biohacking. Regular exercise can boost our mood, improve our cognitive function, and even slow down the aging process. But it's not just about slogging it out at the gym. Biohackers understand the science behind exercise and tailor their workouts to maximize their benefits. And let's not forget cognitive tasks. The brain, like any other part of the body, needs regular exercise to stay fit and healthy. Biohackers use a range of cognitive tasks, from puzzles and games to more advanced techniques like neurofeedback, to keep their brains sharp and improve their cognitive performance. In essence, biohacking is about understanding and manipulating the inputs to our biology to achieve desired outputs. It's about taking control of our own health and well-being and using the power of science to become the best version of ourselves. There are many ways to biohack, some as simple as changing your diet or sleep habits. But today, we're going to delve into some of the more popular biohacking techniques that have taken the health and wellness world by storm. They're not just trendy, they're backed by science and have shown real results for many people. Let's get started. First up, we have intermittent fasting. This isn't just about losing weight, it's about giving your body a break from constantly processing food. By eating within a specific time window each day, you're allowing your body to focus on other processes during the fasting period, such as cellular repair and the production of growth hormones. Many people report increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, and even a reduction in inflammation from this practice. Next on our list is cold showers. Yes, you heard that right. It might sound a bit uncomfortable, but hear me out. Cold showers have been shown to improve circulation, boost mood, and increase alertness. They do this by stimulating the body's cardiovascular system, releasing endorphins, and waking up the brain. They can even help you sleep better at night by lowering your body temperature. Then we have high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This form of exercise involves short bursts of extreme effort followed by periods of lower intensity exercise or rest. The idea is to push your body to its limit, then allow it to recover repeatedly. This can increase your metabolism, improve your cardiovascular health, and even help you burn fat more effectively. Plus, it's a great way to get a workout in when you're short on time. Lastly, we have meditation. Often overlooked as a biohacking technique, meditation is actually one of the most powerful tools we have for improving our health. By training our minds to focus and quiet down, we can reduce stress, improve our mood, and even enhance our cognitive abilities. It's like hitting the reset button on your brain, allowing you to start fresh and tackle your day with a clearer mind. These techniques are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to biohacking. There's a whole world of methods out there, from sleep optimization to nootropic supplements, all designed to help you become the best version of yourself. But remember, not every technique works for everyone. It's about finding what works best for you. So don't be afraid to experiment. Try different techniques, see how they make you feel, and stick with the ones that give you the results you're looking for. Happy biohacking! Like any new frontier, biohacking has its share of risks and controversies. It's an exciting world, filled with promises of superhuman abilities, longevity, and enhanced performance. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Just as with any other scientific or technological innovation, biohacking comes with its fair share of potential pitfalls and ethical dilemmas that we must confront. One of the most prominent risks associated with biohacking is the potential for harm. This is especially true for DIY biohackers, who often experiment on their own bodies without the guidance of medical professionals. Some biohacks might involve changes to diet, sleep patterns, or exercise routines, while others might involve more invasive procedures, such as implanting devices under the skin or altering genes. Without appropriate knowledge and supervision, these experiments can lead to serious health complications or even death. Another risk is the potential for misuse or abuse. Imagine what could happen if biohacking techniques fall into the wrong hands. What if someone uses these methods to enhance themselves in a way that gives them an unfair advantage, or worse, to harm others? These are not just theoretical concerns, but real issues that we must address as a society. Then there's the issue of accessibility. As it stands, many biohacking technologies and methods are expensive and out of reach for the average person. This could lead to a societal divide, with only the wealthy having access to these enhancements. We must ask ourselves, is it fair that only those who can afford it get to reap the benefits of biohacking? Ethical considerations are also at the forefront of biohacking controversies. Is it right to alter our bodies in ways that nature didn't intend? Should we be meddling with our genes, potentially affecting future generations? These are questions that don't have easy answers, but they're ones that we need to grapple with as we navigate this new frontier. Despite these risks and controversies, it's important to remember that biohacking, like any tool, is not inherently good or bad. It all comes down to how we use it. That's why it's crucial to approach biohacking with a sense of responsibility. Consulting with healthcare professionals is a key part of this. Before starting any new biohacking regimen, it's important to talk to your doctor or another trusted health advisor. They can help you understand the potential risks and benefits and guide you in making safe and healthy changes. Moreover, we need to continue having open conversations about the ethical implications of biohacking. By discussing these issues openly, we can work towards creating guidelines and regulations that ensure biohacking is used in a way that benefits all of society, not just a select few. While biohacking promises a lot, it's crucial to approach it responsibly. It's an exciting frontier, full of potential and promise. But like any frontier, it's also fraught with danger and uncertainty. By navigating it with care and consideration, we can harness the power of biohacking in a way that is safe, ethical, and beneficial for all. So, what does the future hold for biohacking? A question that's as thrilling as it is complex. As we navigate the 21st century, we're witnessing the convergence of biology and technology like never before. In the realm of biohacking, this union is driving a revolution that could change the way we understand and interact with our own bodies. Imagine a future where we could fine-tune our genetic code to eliminate the risk of inherited diseases. Picture a world where tiny nanobots swim through our bloodstream, repairing damaged cells and reversing the aging process. It sounds like science fiction, but these are the possibilities that may lie in the future of biohacking. The quest for human enhancement is gaining pace. Rapid advancements in technology are paving the way for more precise, personalized biohacks. High-tech wearables, AI-driven health platforms, and even quantum computing could soon play a part in decoding the complex systems that make us who we are. But it's not just about technology. A deeper understanding of human biology is also crucial. As we unravel the mysteries of the human genome and the microbiome, we're discovering new ways to optimize our health and performance. The symbiosis of biology and technology could propel us into an era of unprecedented human potential. Yet, as we push the boundaries of what's possible, we must also consider the ethical implications. How do we balance the pursuit of human enhancement with the need for equal access and fair play? These are the questions that will shape the future of biohacking. The road ahead is filled with challenges and opportunities. But as we continue to explore the frontiers of biology and technology, we're inching closer to a world where we're not just passive recipients of our genetic destiny, but active architects of our own health and well-being. One thing is clear: the exploration of biohacking and human enhancement is just beginning. From superhumans to disease-free societies, the possibilities are as vast as they are exciting. So, buckle up, because the future of biohacking promises to be a thrilling ride. In the end, biohacking is about more than just optimizing our bodies, it's about unleashing our full potential. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've taken today. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of biohacking, unraveling its mysteries and delving deep into its scientific foundations. We've explored popular techniques, weighed the potential risks and controversies, and peered into the promising and exciting future of this field. Biohacking, we've seen, is not a passing fad. It's an evolving science that promises to help us fine-tune our bodies, our minds, and indeed, our lives. It's a tool that can help us tap into our inherent potential, bringing us closer to achieving the best versions of ourselves. But, as with any tool, it's important to use it responsibly. We've discussed techniques like intermittent fasting and cold showers, which have been shown to boost our health and well-being. We've also touched on more advanced methods like genetic editing and implant technology that hold the promise of potentially transformative changes. But we've also addressed the fact that biohacking carries risks. It's important to approach these techniques with a healthy dose of respect and caution. Not everything that works for one person will work for another, and it's crucial to listen to our bodies and consult with professionals before embarking on a biohacking journey. The future of biohacking offers exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where we can edit our genes to eliminate diseases, increase our lifespan, or boost our cognitive abilities. These are the kinds of advancements that biohacking could bring. But let's not lose sight of the fact that biohacking is ultimately about personal growth and self-improvement. It's about creating a harmonious relationship between our bodies, our minds, and our environment. It's about striving for balance, wholeness, and optimal health. So, as we conclude our journey today, remember this: biohacking is a tool. Use it wisely, use it responsibly, and use it to unlock the immense potential that lies within you. Remember, the greatest project you'll ever work on is yourself. So why not give biohacking a try?